Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Pepe update today. So let's look at some few things. I'm interested to start off from higher time frames right now. So in the next 9 days, I think that Pepe is about to close like this. So if you actually end up making a red closing for Pepe, that can actually be a little bit bad for July as well. And as far as I'm looking at Bitcoin as well, Bitcoin is kind of mysterious, but I do hope in the next 9 days we may see another push to the upside, because I do see that Bitcoin had this resistance that couldn't break, and now you've broken out, and you've also back tested nicely. And yes, so this 10 EMA, hopefully that actually comes back up and touch the 10, and then we start to push a little bit even more to the upside. So Bitcoin is really shady. I don't really know what's going to happen next for Bitcoin right now. There's reason to go down, but more reason to even move to the upside. So on the weekly time frame though, Pepe is holding the 10 EMA. Okay, so you have the 10, and remember that the last time you were holding the 10 EMA, you actually started to push back up again. Okay, so holding up the 10 again, you may start next week to see Pepe going back up again. So if you end up closing like this with a hammer, we might just start to see the next week, trying to make the comeback just a little bit in the next 7 days, and who knows, we can have a nice, good, huge green candle, and we may move even furthermore to the upside. And flowing back into the 4-hour time frame as well, I've noticed, and I keep saying this, that this right here, my friend, you see, you already have the move down, you already have the sideways move to the upside, you have a very clear, amazing bullish divergence. So I do hope we start to see a recovery for Pepe. My personal first technical target is going to be 13,871. So I do expect in the next coming days we start to actually push back up here. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.